Hello friends, it's Danny here and it's day 7 of my Tag a Day November. In the description box you'll find a couple playlists, one to this year's tags, one to all my tags. You'll also find links to all the products that are still available that I could find, but as I've mentioned before, I'm just not worrying about whether they're in stock or not. I'm shopping my stash, using my stash. So some things are and some things aren't. But regardless, hopefully you can take some inspiration from my tags this year. All right, on to what I used for today's tag. I used the Unity Stamp Company's Ho Ho No Pissy Kitty stamp set. I love this line of stamp sets. They're just so funny. I used the Cat Scrappiness Stitched Scalloped Nesting Tags. One of my favorite sets. I've used them before this year already, and I'm sure I will use them again. Scrappy Boy Stamps Stitched Circle Nesting Dies. I just love this circle die set because there's just so many, and it was a great value. And then I pulled out some Hoarded Basic Gray. This is the Jovial paper pad. You'll see it's getting a little thin, at least I have been using it. And it's from 2010, just a little bit older. But here is my tag for today. Ho ho no. I just love the expression and how he looks, and I found some ribbon in my stash that I thought went with it really well. And it is a larger tag, but I still thought it was perfect. Yeah, and yay for using the hoarded paper. I wish that I had, well, I was ready to say I wish I had more of it. I might have the 12 by 12 of that. Yes, I am a hoarder. I will admit it. Or what's the meme I saw? I'm not a hoarder. I'm a, like I save the crafty supplies or whatever. I don't know. Sorry, squirrel, weird tangent, rambling. Anyways, there is my tag for today. So we're 7 days in. Let me know in the description box below, or not in the description box, in the comment section below, what has been your favorite tag so far. I don't think I could pick one. I like them all. I'm loving how they're turning out. So before I ramble some more or mix up my words, I'm going to head out. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you tomorrow. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye now.